Warning: replacing thermostats should always be done by a licensed electrician. Doing it yourself can be dangerous, will void our warranty, and will likely void your house insurance. The HT3 has been designed as a possible replacement for other brands of thermostat. In this video, we are replacing a Siemens unit. The electrician should turn off the power feed before removing the old thermostat. It is excellent policy to double check that the power has been turned off. As you can see, the Siemens unit is being used as a switch, with only the live wire going in and out of the thermostat. The HT3 thermostat is different. The middle two connections are for the underfloor heating cold tails. The outer two connections are for your live feed and neutral. Please make sure that you get it in the correct order. Please note that earth from both the power feed and the cold tails are never connected to the thermostat. Cold tail earth should be connected to the power feed earth. In this video, the Siemens unit did not have a floor probe attached. If there was a floor probe, it would be attached to the far right of the HT3 electrical block. The electrician has turned the power back on and is now testing the unit. There is no floor probe. The HT3 is being set to air sensor mode. For programming information on the HT3, please watch our other videos. The HT3 comes in 3 parts. This dramatically improves install speed. The electrician has increased the ease of install even more by cutting out the back of the flush box. The electrical box does not need to be reattached to the back of the thermostat mount. The ribbon on the electrical block only needs to reach the thermostat. Install the thermostat mount and attach the ribbon to the back of the thermostat. Click the thermostat in place and you're done.